Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to roll back AMD graphics drivers. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Okay, the first step is to go here and search for Device Manager. We expand Display Adapters, and your card should come up here. Right-click Properties, Driver. And here we have the option to roll back driver, but this is only available if you have already installed a driver before. To do this, we should click on Update Driver, and then click here. In case you can't roll back this way, you should go to Google and search for AMD drivers download. Click here. Now click here and choose your card. Submit. And here choose your Windows version. And that's it, you can download the version you want, click on Download, and open the installer. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you.